My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are all well. We are doing FSC Part 1 Mathematics Inter Part 1 and we are doing chapter number 9 Fundamentals of Trigonometry. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and tell the others to subscribe it as well. Press the bell icon button so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos in time. I'm doing the short questions of previous board exams, right? And after finishing the short questions, we'll do the longs as well. So question number 1, today's question number 1, exercise 9.1 is convert not convert. Find L if R equals to 18 millimeters and theta equals to 65 degrees and 20 minutes. 1/3, okay? So first of all, we have to find the value of L. So first of all, we have to change the theta into radians, okay? It is 65 degrees and 20 minutes. We have to change it in radians, okay? So it is equals to 65 plus 20 over 60 degrees, right? So it is equals to 65.33 degrees, right? And we know that which is equals to 65.333 into pi by 180 degrees. Pi by 180 degrees. Okay, so it will be radians. Okay, multiply by pi divided by 180. It's equals to 1.14. Equals to 1.14 radians. Okay, so now L equals to R theta, which is equals to 18 times 1.140, which is equals to approximately 20.52. And the unit is millimeters. Right, this is the first question, okay? Now come to the next question. An arc subtends an angle of 70 degrees. Subtends an angle of 70 degree at the center. Right. Okay, so arc length is 132 meters, quite big. Find the radius. Okay, R. Right now, theta equals to 70 degrees. We must change it in radians, okay? So which is equals to 70 times pi by 180 degrees, which is equals to 1.22 radians. Right. So now L equals to R theta. And this implies theta equals to L over R. No, sorry. So R equals to L over theta. L over theta. So which is equals to 132 divided by 1.22. So which is equals to 132 divided by 108.0 meters. This is the length of R. So radius equals to 108 meters. I hope you understand it well. Question number 3. So today's question number 3, okay. Convert nine pi by 5 radians into sexagesimal system, right? So it is 9 pi by 5 radians. So 1 radian equals to 180 over pi. So 9 pi by 5 times 180 over 5 pi. Pi got cancelled. So which is equals to 324 degrees. You must write the degree here, okay? Now, next question is question number 4. Convert 75 degrees, 6 minutes, and 30 seconds into radians. Right, so simple. Equals to, first of all, we convert in decimal, okay? So 75 degrees plus 6 over 60 plus 30 over 60 times 60. So after calculating it, we get 75 degrees, 6 minutes and 30 seconds, okay? Which is equals 75.108. $75.108 degrees. Okay, now convert it into radians. Okay, so 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. Okay, right, so it would be radians. So which is equals to 75.108 times pi by 180 degrees. Okay, so multiply by pi and divided by 180. So equals to 1.32 approximately, equals to 1.32 radians. This is our required answer. And I hope that you understand it well. Now comes the very important theorem, trigonometric identities. Okay. So I will change the color of the heading, make it red. Okay. Trigonometric identities. Okay. Right. Okay. So I will draw the triangle and I'll try to prove all here. So this is right a right angle triangle. Okay. So I name it and we'll do it. Okay. Let it is ABC. The triangle is A. This is B. This is C. Right. This angle is, say, it is theta. The length of the side opposite the angle A is, or the vertex is small a. This is small c, which is the hypotenuse as well, and B, the small b. Now by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, now hypotenuse square equals to base square divided by perpendicular square plus altitude square, right? It means that c square equals to b square plus a square, right? So first of all, divide by c square. That's number one. Okay. Or you may say divide 1 by c square. So we have c square divided by c square equals to b square divided by c square plus a square divided by c square. So this we have 1 plus this equals to, equals to b over c the whole square and plus a over c the whole square. Right, we know that this is cosine. So 1 equals to cosine square theta plus sine square theta. Right, say this is a. Okay, now divide 1 by a square. So we have c square over a square equals to b square over a square plus a square over a square. Right. Okay. So this one is c over a. It is the opposite over a over c. So this is cosecant square theta. So b over a is cotangent square theta plus 1. Let's say it is b, the second one. Okay. Now divide 1 by b square. We have c square over b square equals to b square over b square plus a square over b square. So this one c over b secant square theta equals to 1 plus tangent square theta. Okay. Right. This is C. We will study a little bit tomorrow as well about this. So these are the three fundamental identities of trigonometry, and we proved them with the help of a right angle triangle. So I will just go through it in a minute. ABC is a right angle triangle with this angle is right. The side opposite to the vertex A, let it is small a. This is small b, and opposite to C is small c. And this C side is the hypotenuse also. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus altitude square. So C square equals to B square plus A square. Now, this is the equation. We just divide this equation by C square. C square over C square, B square over C square plus A square over C square. These two got cancelled. 1 plus B over C square is cosine square. A over C is sine square theta. So this is the basic and the first uh, fundamental identity. The 1 equals to cosine square theta plus sine square theta, or sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. Now divide this 1 by B square and then A square. So we get two other fundamental identities of trigonometry. So these are secant square theta equals to 1 plus cotangent square theta, and now we will use these identities to find some questions, right? The required things, and these are the basics of trigonometry, and it will use in the higher trigonometry as well. Thank you very much for joining it. Thank you very much for subscribing it. I hope you understand it well. And if there are some doubts, you may clear all these doubts by sending me the message on the WhatsApp number I have given on the thumbnail of every video. Thank you very much. Allah aapka hamiyan nasir.